Hello, this video content about solving exponential equation part 4. If 4 power x plus 4 power minus x equals 7, then find the value of x power x plus x power minus x equal. So let's begin. 4 power x plus 4 power minus x equals 7. Given, find value of x power x plus x power minus x. So that we may write plus minus x equals 7. Similar 3 x plus minus x. Switch the exponent. Equals 7. Similar minus x times 3. Suppose that P Q 2 power x equal P 2 power minus x Q. P times Q equal power minus x 2 power 0 1. So replace with P square plus Q square 7. Use this fact P plus Q minus 2 P times Q. So use this fact P over 3 plus Q power 3 use this fact P plus Q minus P times Q times P plus Q square. P plus Q square times P times Q 1 move right side square plus 9. Take the root square on both sides. So that Cont P plus Q equal 3. Replace 3 power 3 minus 3 times P times Q is 1. P plus Q is 3. 27 minus 9 equal is 18. Okay, this is solution. Okay, thank a lot your attention and please subscribe and like my channel. Okay, see you next time.